Good morning students. Today I will teach you chemistry for class 9th, chapter 1 matter. In previous lecture I have told you what is matter, what is the characteristics of particles of matter, what is the difference between solid, liquid and gas. Dear students, after that I have told you effect of temperature on the states of matter. Then a question arises in our mind that what is a temperature and how we can convert degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Now we have to discuss what is temperature. Temperature is a degree of hardness or coldness of any substance. तापमान किसी बॉडी का हॉटनेस का या कोल्डनेस का एक माप है। जैसे कोई कहता है कि आज बड़ी गर्मी है, इसका मतलब यह है कि आज टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा है। In summer season, temperature will come to the point of 47 degrees centigrade, and in cold climate, temperature becomes below 0 degrees C. The freezing point of ice is 0 degrees C, and boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. The body temperature of a healthy person is 37 degrees C. Degree C means degree Celsius, degree F is degree Fahrenheit, and K is Kelvin. These are the units of temperature. Now we have to understand how we can convert these units into other unit. If we have to convert 37 degrees C into degree F and Kelvin, then we have to apply the formula degree F is equal to 9/5 into degree C plus 32. डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट में अगर आपको निकालना है टेम्परेचर, तो डिग्री सेल्सियस में जो टेम्परेचर दिया हुआ है उसमें इस फॉर्मूले का इस्तेमाल करेंगे। 9/5 इंटू डिग्री सेल्सियस में जो टेम्परेचर दिया हुआ है उसकी वैल्यू पुट करेंगे प्लस 32। दैट इज if we have to convert 37 degrees C into degree F and Kelvin, then we have to put this formula 9/5 into 37. 37 is the temperature in degree Celsius plus 32. After solving this step, 5 7 is 35, 5 4 is 20. 9 into 7.4 plus 32. After solving it, we get 98.6. एंड टेम्परेचर इन केल्विन में चेंज करना है, तो डिग्री सेल्सियस में जो टेम्परेचर दिया हुआ है उसमें 273 को ऐड कर देंगे, जोड़ देंगे। नाउ द फॉर्मूला इज के इक्वल टू डिग्री सी प्लस 273। हियर के इक्वल टू 37 क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है, 37 प्लस 273 इक्वल टू 310। नाउ वी कैन से 37 डिग्री सी is equal to 98.6 degree F is equal to 310 Kelvin. This is the example by which you can solve these questions. Now we have to solve this question. Convert 60 degree F into degree C and Kelvin. First we have to put formula degree F is equal to 9/5 into degree C plus 32. Then we get 9/5 into degree C, तो दिया नहीं यहाँ पर। डिग्री एफ में दिया हुआ टेम्परेचर, तो हम डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट यहाँ रखेंगे 60 plus 32. Then transferring 32 on left side, we get 60 minus 32 is equal to 9/5 into degree C. Then we get 28 is equal to 9/5 into degree C. After solving it, we get 28 into 5 upon 9. After solving it, we get 5 is 40, 140 upon 9. Near about 15.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस आएगा. Now we have to explain this question further into degree Kelvin into Kelvin is equal to, degree is not used for Kelvin, as K is equal to C plus 273. By putting the value of C, Celsius, temperature in Celsius, we get temperature in Kelvin. 15.5 plus 273, we get 288.5. It means 60 degree F is equal to 15.5 degree Celsius is equal to 280.5 Kelvin. This is the on the basis of these questions, dear students, you have to solve question number 1, 2 and 3. Thank you very much.